friends, I'm Bo. Let's get our brains and bodies ready to read. Do you love letters? Yes? I do too. Do you know something neat about letters? Every letter has a big letter and a small letter. Do you want to meet a letter today? Okay, let's meet the letter B. These words start with B. Banana, boat, and ball. Banana, boat, and ball start with B. Great job! Would you like to draw the letter B with me? Yes? Okay. Which one would you like to draw first? The big B or the little b? Okay, let's draw the big B first. Draw a line, add 2 bumps. That's the big B. Now let's take 2 jumps. Great job! Drawing a big B. Now let's draw the little b. Draw a line, but only 1 bump. Let's do that again, but first let's jump. Draw a line, but only 1 bump. Great job, friends. Let's jump, jump, jump. Thank you for learning and moving with us. Bye for now.